Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update the software and OS of your iPad mini, iPad Pro, the regular iPad or any of the iPad you got. So here we go. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi because sometimes these software packages can be huge in size. After that, all you have to do is go to the settings, then go to the general section. Then this list will come. Here you will find an option called software update. Just tap on this. It will start checking whether any software update is available for your device or not. And as you can see, the iPadOS 18.5 is available for my iPad mini here. So now you just need to tap on update now button. And then if you have the passcode on your device, it will ask you to enter the passcode. And you can see that the update is requested. And downloading of the software package is started. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, it might take some time. So as you can see, downloading of the software package is completed and you get the option to install now, or you can tap on later to schedule the update of the software for a later time. But by default, if you do not take any action, then it will just verify and it will start installing the update on your iPad. So now the device will reboot and installation of the software package will be started. So the rebooting process is completed and you can see that here a message popped up that the software update has been done. Your iPad has been updated to the iPadOS 18.5. So this is how you can update the software and OS of your iPad. All you have to do is go to the settings, then go to the general section, tap on software update, and then just follow the same steps I have shown you. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.